Locals call it the river monster. They say a whole train vanished here in 1930. Today, our sonar just hit something massive down there.
Conditions are terrible. The current is strong and visibility is basically zero. This is a proper dodgy dive.
It's absolute madness down here, lads. If we actually find this ghost train, you need to see it first. Subscribe right now to watch the discovery. Do it!
Hold up. Nature doesn't make straight lines. We are on the track.
Solid steel.
Mother of God. It's real. And it's looking right at us.
This is the spooky bit, mates. Looking into these windows, you expect to see a face looking back.
We've seen the outside, but the real secrets are inside. Rumor has it there's a safe in the mail car. We are going in.
I've dived some sketchy wrecks, but this takes the biscuit. It's absolutely dead silent. You can feel the hit.
We found the loot, but this safe is an absolute unit. I can't shift it. We need the balloons.
This is the dodgy part. We are about to fill these bags with air. If this train shifts or rolls over while I'm down here,
She's free. The ghost is leaving the graveyard. She's heading for the sunshine for the first time in 80 years.
thing. She's absolutely massive. I can't believe we actually pulled it off. It's the discovery of the century, lads.
She's floating, but she's fragile. We need to get her on dry land without snapping her in half. And then, we...
This is proper squeaky bum time, lads. She's soaking wet and weighs a ton. If that chassis is rotten, she...
She's safe, but look at the state of her. She is absolutely minging, covered in 80 years of river slime. We need to blast this muck off.
Oh, mate, would you look at that? That is proper satisfying. Years of jungle muck just vanished.
She's clean on the outside, but inside, it's a horror show. We have tons of mud.
I can't describe the smell, lads. It's like rotting fish and old eggs mixed with swamp gas.
Here it is. Here's what we thought of. The reason it is a locked safe from the 19. It's rusted shut.
Is that gold?
Would you Adam and Eve it? It's gold sovereigns. We actually found the treasure. But the real treasure is the train itself, and she is...
The sandblasting is satisfying, but it exposes the truth. The river has eaten this metal alive. She's like Swiss.
The body is fixed, but the heart is still dead. The engine pipes are clogged with mud, and the pistons are seized.
She is fighting us every inch of the way. Every bolt is knackered, every bearing is seized, but with enough hammer.
The heart is beating again. The mechanics are sweet as a nut, but a king can't ride on a bare metal frame. We need to restore the...
We aren't using MDF here, lads. This is solid teak. It costs an arm and a leg, but it lasts forever. The inside...
She's a palace on the inside now, but on the outside, she still looks like a Lego brick. We need to give her the royal paint.
Look at that finish, lads. You could shave in that reflection. She went from a rusty swamp bucket to looking...
She looks like £1 million. The paint is dry, the gold is shining. But a train isn't a statue. It takes 4 hours to boil 2,000 gallons of water. We are just waiting for that needle to move.
Listen to that, she's absolutely screaming. She's got a full head of steam and she's ready to roll. This is it, lads.
Too much power.
Look at her go. From the bottom of a swamp to rolling down the main line. It's been sweat and tears.
We saved the ghost train and we found the gold. But the world is full of lost treasures waiting to be found. I've heard rumors of a sunken